Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo Web Search from Chrome. Alright, so let's say I search for TV. So as we can see, we got a result on Yahoo, and so we want to change it back to Google. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on these three dots in the right corner right here. Okay, and then you're going to go to settings. Right, so you go to settings, then you go to search engine. Okay, so right here on search engine, you want to click on change. Right, so we're going to change it to Google, and then click on set as default. So once you've done that, we'll just open a new tab. All right, so I'm going to search TV. So as you can see, our search has gone back to Google. So it's pretty easy and straightforward, all right, to change your Yahoo search back. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.